Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscription button and of course turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. On this channel I post Igbo language, everything Igbo language, how to learn Igbo and how to promote Igbo as a culture and other things in between if necessary. Guys, in today's video basically is just a little bit kind of when I did the other video I said how not to lose your Igbotic self. This is an example. Like, my friends asked me why I decided to teach Igbo on YouTube channel. I don't understand why I'll be asked why I decided to teach Igbo on YouTube channel. Like, Igbo is not my culture, Igbo is not my language. Yes, Igbo is my language, and I'm like, why won't I teach Igbo, my language, on YouTube channel when I have some YouTubers, some big YouTubers, which I'm going to mention in these videos, that are doing so good, that are influencers and are doing so well, and they are speaking their dialects on this channel without even, being shy. People just think basically when you speak your language or when you speak your dialect that you're no longer an ajibota or you're no longer a correct babe. That's what people think basically. But I don't understand. If you speak your language, like if they call you in English, you speak fluently, very clean one. If they call you in your dialect, you speak very clean one. I don't understand why that shouldn't. Why if you speak your dialect, you become an Igbotic person, or you become what is it called? That is why I actually named after my channel igboticnono, so that if you're already feeling that I'm teaching Igbo on this channel, like I'm an Igbotic girl, don't worry, I've given it my name already, And the thing is, most of these people that doesn't even like to show and speak their dialect, they are not even like, I don't even understand. Like, when you speak English to them, they reply you in Igbo. And when you speak Igbo to them, they reply you in English, and the English they reply you with is not even that perfect that you're thinking, okay, fine, it's supposed to be speaking heaven and earth since this person doesn't speak dialect or something. Okay, see, this Flo Chinyere, yeah, she's a YouTuber. I love her so much. I've been following her, I've been watching her channel. I just love her personality. She's an Igbo girl, Anambra for that matter. Yes, Anambra for that matter. Yes, Anambra people like us, Anambra for that matter. And she speaks her dialect. Like, you can even see when she's speaking English, you can even see that Igbo dialect thing is in there. And see, she's doing so well, and she's proud to be speaking Igbo. There's one of her videos I saw the other time where she said, I remember her saying that she's too Igbotic, why is she speaking Igbo or something like that. That's, I've forgotten the video, but I saw it one certain time that she even said in her place of work that they love the way she talks and something like that. I'm like, I don't know why this is just so normal with Igbo speaking people, because if you meet other foreigners that have languages, when they speak English, you will notice that intonation is in their English. Like, they don't care. I love Flo Chinyere so much. She's an Igbo person. There's nothing like, she's not even adding any trying to add any bougie thing or trying to add any phonetic nature of a thing in her video. She's just there plain and speaking her thing. If you don't like it, you can click off. Another person I enjoy so much is also, what's her name? Another person I enjoy so much is Dinah Ekweme too. Seriously. When you come, oh my god, I enjoy Dinah Ekweme so much. Yes, she speaks Igbo. She speaks Igbo. She does her Igbo kind of thing that is so fun and beautiful. I've been following her for a very long time. I've been watching her for a very long time. Before she even gave birth to her first child, I've watched her a very long time, and I just love her personality. Like, she speaks Igbo very, very well. At the same time, I watch her, she uses English, and she uses very good English. Sometimes when I watch her video, there are some words she will use. I'll go and look up in the dictionary just to know what that word is. Like, she uses her English very well, and she speaks Igbo very, very well. Like, I don't know, I just love her. So why can't you? I don't understand. If you speak your dialect, then you won't be an Ajibo person again. These people are big shot YouTubers, and they're speaking their dialect, and they're making it, and they're cashing out. Then why are you disturbing me that is still coming up. Why I decided to teach Igbo, like Igbo is not my language or what. Another person I also loved the way she's behaving is also Nelo Okeke. I love her so much as well. I've been following her channel, I've been watching her videos. She just tell you she's unapologetic. She's speaking her English, she's speaking her Igbo, and she doesn't care. She speaks Igbo in her channel very, very well. Like, she speaks Igbo in her channel, she speaks English also, and she doesn't even give a fucking damn shit. She doesn't care about, like, she always tell you she loves, she always tell Nelo with a beautiful face, Nelo with a beautiful face. Like, she tells herself she's beautiful, like, 20 times, 100 times. She doesn't give a damn. Like, she appreciates, she loves herself. She loves herself more than anything, and I just love her for that. And she still speaks her Igbo. She still uses her Igbo. She like, there's nothing. Yeah, I don't understand. Another person I also love so much is, oh my god, Omabella. I love Omabella so much. Even though she's a very big YouTuber, she has successfully made it in this internet influencing, whatever word you're going to put it. She has her beautiful family with her beautiful kids. Men, when she's doing her video also, she's not even trying to form any accent. She's using her Igbo accent. She's also speaking her Igbo in the video. Like, what's just the problem? I love, these YouTubers are just the people I love so much. These 4 people and more others, these 4 people are the people I love so much. The way they speak their language, the way they appreciate this Igbo, they speak it and they do their video and they don't care the way it sounds or the way you feel about it. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Please, can you guys just relax and stop asking me why I decided to teach Igbo. This is my channel, so don't ask me why I decided to teach Igbo, because I have people that are doing so well, successful, and they're speaking their dialects, and they're speaking Igbo on their channel as well as English, which I just called out for you right now. And these YouTubers, I love them. I love them. They speak English, they speak Igbo, and they're doing fly. So I just want to drop it here. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed yet, please do so to subscribe, and have a lovely day. Bye.